To start with, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Jay Barralet, and I'm the Associate Chair for Research in the Department of Surgery at McGill University.
Thank you for being with us. For the first question, what are the current priorities and major research initiatives in the SIS department?
We have a lot of initiatives going on at the moment. I can summarize what kind of themes they're in. We have surgical education, and we have surgical outcomes, and we have surgical oncology, and we have regenerative medicine. That's basically the main areas that people are active in right now. A lot of these are all being impacted by technology. So, for example, surgical outcomes is becoming far more predictive, rather than just comparing what happened in the past, trying to predict which patients might benefit from treatment A or treatment B. And also with regards to technology with VR and AR, we have a lot more tools now to train surgeons. It costs a lot of money to train a surgeon, many, many years. And the more effective we can be in that time, the better. And the better trained surgeons are, the better the standards, and the more similar care is between all of the different centers. And where technology is affecting regenerative medicine, this field is exploding right now with the use of xenogenic or animal organs to replace human organs. That holds great promise, very exciting. And so they're just some of the areas that are really impacting surgical and interventional sciences right now.
Now, how do you foster an environment that supports innovation and collaboration among researchers in the department?
Well, it's difficult because, while the word research may mean different things to different people, there are lots of different types of research methods. Some people work mainly on a computer and they're looking at data and patient records, and they're kind of assessing what has happened. Other people are actually doing experiments in the lab, and other people maybe are doing clinical trials and comparing things. So the techniques vary. The overall goal is less surgery, better surgery, and faster recovery. But the ways people are trying to get there are different. However, there are connecting themes between all of those types of research. For example, digital health and data science are affecting just about every aspect of research. Innovation, which is the science, if you like, or the practice of taking really great new ideas but turning them into something that the doctors and hospitals can actually use. These are the things that link everybody together. So we've been working hard on building these cross-cutting platform enablers that can bring people together to help them achieve their goals.
Would you share a significant breakthrough or success story from the research conducted under your leadership?
Everyone who does research here, from students to professors, they all have their own successes, and they're all significant in their own way. I think unexpected ways in which we've done more than our remit was to create next generation medical technology entrepreneurs. We've been teaching medtech innovation in this department for over 10 years. We've decided to create strings of student-led companies and help develop some technologies now that are FDA approved and Health Calendar approved, and that was a really big boost to the research in this department, and being able to support people in taking things further. Of course, we have a lot of big grants in this department. Sometimes that's enabling this hospital to have the technologies for the first time in Canada, or maybe even the first time in the world being performed here. But on every level, everyone is doing what they can to improve things and create a better tomorrow for our patients. And so it's hard to say that one thing is more important than another, because while some things are more spectacular, some change takes a very long time, a lot of steps before it can impact on patients' lives.
What role do you see graduate students playing in the research activities of the department?
Graduate students of today are the research leaders of tomorrow, right? And without them, there is no research. The whole system in the universities, and ours being no exception, is that through training excellent people, they become part of teams that go on and do great things. So graduate students are kind of treated with a great deal of respect and responsibility here, and to enable them to grow as researchers and to make as much impact as they can in their time here. So, as much as they can and as much energy as they have, we're able to help them. I think this program is obviously, I believe it's excellent, and I think people are working very hard to make it serve the people it trains as best as they can. I think there is nothing like this out there, certainly in Canada right now. And a lot of people I meet who are surgeons or have gone through training often say they wish there had been something like this when they were students. And so, we can always do more and we can always improve. I think the fact that we spend so much time thinking about what is the benefit to a student being here and how can we improve that, that's important. I think the topics that we cover are very, very timely. We're very forward thinking and aware of the future and what's changing and what future demands from employers are likely to be. And so whether you're a clinician looking to specialize and have some exposure in research, or whether you're an engineer who wants to enter the medtech industry, there's something here for you.
Thank you for your time and for hosting us in this futuristic environment.